What? So we can trick Lola. What?
We're still walking, guys. There's so many cars. I don't even feel that it's cold.
Really?
I don't feel that it's cold. We're going in now.
Okay, baby. Evening. Okay. What?
We're not gonna buy that.
Not gonna buy that. Why? You have no money?
Yeah.
You have money?
H&M is where my marbles of finger buys clothes.
Look, who's the model? Can you check? Who's the model? Who's the model? No, who's the model, Alex? Who's the model?
That's Scarlet Snow.
Yeah.
Scarlet Snow.
Do you look like Scarlet Snow? Do you look like Scarlet Snow? Can you show me that smile, baby? Smile. Smile. What?
I still wanted to see Scarlet.
Okay, you want to be friends with Scarlet.
Yes,
Oh, sige, napili ka na doon, bilis.
Scarlet. I want shoelace.
Slowly. Slowly.
I di malulubat.
Hindi, okay lang, anak. Go. Oh.
Loves and dummies. On a partridge in a pear tree.
What? Ah, ako na ba? Two turtle doves. Go. Two turtle doves. On the what? Excuse me. Handyman. Handyman. Handyman, baby. Diretso ka. Thank you. Okay, go. Four calling birds. Two turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear
What's next? Five.
5 golden rings.
Four calling birds.
3 French hens.
Two turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the seventh? I can't hear it. Six geese a laying.
5 golden rings.
Four calling
3
birds.
French hens.
Two turtle doves. Eight geese a laying. I'm sorry, mali. 8 maids a milking. 6 geese a laying. 4 calling birds. 2 turtle doves.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Hey, what's next? What? No. Eight maids a milking. No, pangit. Eight maids a milking, baby. Eight maids a milking. Ah! Eight maids a milking. Six maids a laying. Four calling birds. Two turtle doves. What's next? Alex, what's next? What? Yeah, why? Handyman. You tell Lola, oh, there's handyman. Oo. Huh. Sige, go walk. Kaya mo yan, dude. Hey, what's next, baby? Oh, you can't remember. So, I'll end it na. Okay, bye-bye. Choose. You choose. Thank you po. Which one do you like? Turo. Ah, rice with egg again? Pika-pika lang only, anak. Yung maliit lang. You choose between this, oh. Oh, French fries you like? You like French fries? Egg yan, maliliit. Tiny eggs. Quail eggs. Alam mo yun? You wanna try?
Okay.
Okay.
I haven't tried that before.
Pero yeah, sige. I know na what to buy. Okay? Sige, wait lang. Ate, isang kwek-kwek. Isang kikiam. Ano kay mama ulit? Kwek-kwek, kwek-kwek, kikiam, squid balls. Excuse me. Ice gems. You asked how much, anak? You ask ate how much. Punta ka sa loob.
Balik lang ako tayo.
Punta ka sa loob, baby. You asked how much po. Dalin mo yan doon. Doon. $100. Thank you. Oh, gusto mo to? Okay, oh. Pay mo muna. Pay. Go there, anak.
Pay? How?
Oh, halika na dito, anak. Bayad. Wait, oh, you get 100 pesos. Smile. Smile.
Please, Max, we have
Why?
for our Christmas party.
Okay. Who will be your visitors? Do you have any visitors?
Then I'm gonna make an envelope.
Envelopes again. Envelopes again. Diba you made na envelopes? Plenty of envelopes.
I mean,
Can't count them, ah.
what about signs?
What signs? Door signs?
No. Sign you give everyone.
Okay. So, what do you want to say? Oh, we're here na. I'm doing your thing already. Uy, what now, baby? What now?
Wow! Christmas tree! Matatalak. Mommy, I wish we had a Christmas tree like this. But
Tito Ryan will set up the village, right?
Mommy, I don't know what tree will build.
So what? Do we...
Ano? Asan yung ganito mo, Ale?
I don't know. Diba you'll be using the unicorn costume? The unicorn costume made by mommy, baby.